What is the sound of the letter C? The sound of the letter C is K. Come on, say it with me. K. K. Great work. Now, let's see what starts with the letter C. This is a K cat. K cat. Great work. Now, we are outside on a sunny beach. Let's see what words have the letter C. First, we have the letter C in between the word sandcastle. Say it with me. Sandcastle. Sandcastle. Great. Next, we have car. What is it? Car. Lovely. Then we have cap. Cap. Next up, we have camera. Camera. And finally, we have cone. What is it? Cone. Great work, everyone. Now, it's your turn to say the letter C.